The Megacut range of pruning saws is STIHL's signature range, and there are some great options for those looking for quick and precise pruning. There are 3 Megacut versions available. First are the straight saw blade versions, the PR24 and PR33. The PR24 has a 24 cm saw blade and is recommended for pruning branches with a diameter up to 10 cm. The PR33 has a 33 cm saw blade and is recommended for branches with a diameter of up to 15 cm. The straight saw blades on these tools are designed for pruning branches in line with your body. They can be used universally in horticulture, landscaping, as well as when building with timber. Next in the range are the curved saw blade versions, the PR27C and the PR33C. The PR27C has a 27 cm curved saw blade and is recommended for pruning branches with a diameter of up to 12 cm. The PR33C has a 33 cm curved saw blade and is recommended for branches up to 15 cm in diameter. The curved saw blade of these tools makes them suitable for sawing above head height or below your waist, making them ideal for arborists. Both the straight and curved versions have 3-sided Japanese teeth made from chrome-plated steel which is resistant to corrosion. They also have a soft ergonomic handle for comfort during use. Both versions also come with a holster for mounting on either your left or right hip, meaning they are easy to access whether you are left or right-handed. The final Megacut pruning saw is the more affordable PR32CW with a beechwood handle. It has a tempered carbon steel 32 cm curved saw blade with clustered teeth that have clearing slots to prevent jamming during use. The carbon steel blade of this saw makes for extremely quick sawing of all types of branches up to 15 cm in diameter. We also make the PR16 Handycut pruning saw. This can be easily folded for storage and safe transport whilst working, which makes it a great partner for tree maintenance work. It has a 16 cm blade with 3-sided Japanese teeth and is made from chrome-plated steel, which is resistant to corrosion. It's perfect for light pruning jobs and cutting through thinner branches and shrubs, with a width of up to 6.5 cm. To find out more about the full range of pruning saws, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.